Hello, it's Dominic from Paphos Life, and we're on, I believe it's part 4 now of our Old Town walkabout for 2023. And there's Pumpkin House on our left, and I'll be popping in there, have a proper chat later on. So I'm just walking past at the moment. As I see Evie, in which case, hello. Oh. Oh, sorry. Hello Evie. I'll be back later on. I'm just passing through at the moment. I'll be back in about half an hour to an hour, okay? Have a proper chat then. Okay, see you in a bit. Right, so she's in now because I drove past earlier on and it hadn't opened up yet. Go and see this rather odd but cheerful statue. It's a nice little square here now. It's been renovated. Now there are many routes I can go here. I'm still not sure where I'm going to finally end up on this leg, but I am going down this alley first because I like it and it's got lots of nice big doors. And if you remember previous episode, I like big doors. I'm going to try and end up at the Girl with the Sparrow statue at the end of this film. I can't guarantee that's going to happen. But there's plenty of renovation work being performed here. There used to be a DIY shop just there, but it looks like they're renovating that now. Yeah. And the internals there. Ellen is still there doing her nails, or is she? Hard to say. Yes, it is. Now this little bar here we've already featured because this wall here has the famous Aphrodite's Children mural on it, if you want to get an idea as to where we are now. So just adjusting a setting on the camera there. Yes, it looks like this part is getting the renovation treatment now. There's a sign there for anyone who wants to practice their Greek. Now, you can't see it, but there used to be, I don't think it's still there anymore even, another of the cinematography murals there. Of course, this is getting some major work done here. And it was a mural where the king first meets with Marie de Fusna. Now up here there used to be a little area with, you can still see a bit of a mural, but most of it seems to be taken over by a restaurant now, which is a good use of space. Back up there's the square we're at, and I'll just get a bit of height so we can see what's going on. Excuse the lens flare. So, whatever that is, should be quite interesting when it's open. There's one of the many workshops that you still get in Old Town. Oh, I like this one here, Noi Noi. suitably daft for my taste as a bicycle repair shop. Now this mural here is a very popular one as well. There's a ramp here that wasn't there before. Oh look, it goes all the way up there now. Let's follow that. Why not? Seeing as it's new. Okay, so we've gone off our chosen route already. But things are definitely still on the change. Where am I going to end up now then? Oh, top end of that restaurant place. So now I'm back near Pumpkin House, and if I go right here I should be heading towards Panagia Electrica, where we all had our COVID vaccines back in the day, and I remember queuing for that. I'm not going to stay on this road long though. I could go down that way, but I'm going to try and be a bit clever. You can see that one goes down to Old Town 2. If I go up here, I should be able to cut through here somewhere. It's not a route I normally take, so well, that looks sort of path like that way actually. Let's go and see where we end up without hitting anyone. Oh, it might not be the place I want because I can see a little bridge here. Let's go somewhere. Oh well. Yes, I want to be down there rather than on that bridge. I'll go this way. It's a very odd little bit of graffiti down here. Now you may of course be wondering where we are, but this is the little alleyway which, when it's lit up, is a lovely shade of purple. As I say, when it's lit up. You have to be here at night for that. And when I get out here, we're going to have Kennedy Square just to our left and some happy chap, and to our right it leads back to the market way. And here is Kannaviou's restaurant. Looks like they've got all their flowers down at the moment. Hotel. Normally they have, I suppose they've taken them in for the winter, but in summertime and springtime there'd be flower beds up there. There's a kids' playground which is fairly new. And actually as it's empty I'll walk through it because I don't like filming it when there are kids around. I'm not going to go on the swings though, primarily because there aren't any swings. I suppose that's that bar could be considered a swing. And there's the main church. It's very nice in there, but I've never been there myself. If you like to have a wander around Old Town, you might find there's a lack of just bog standard little kiosks and supermarkets. Well, there is one just down here. I don't think it's open yet, but just down there there's one. It's quite handy to know about. Right, I'll go back down this way now. Your fashion wardrobe. There's a coffee shop that's open. Good. I should say it's just it's not quite 9 o'clock yet, so it's a bit early in the morning. That little alley's not open yet, which is a shame. This is quite nice to walk down there. That's the other end of the alley I just walked past. There's a same cat. Another big door. And these trees, I still can't get over how quickly they've grown. It wasn't that long ago. They were vandalised saplings, I seem to recall. Someone went down and broke a lot of them. The saplings were fought back. All covered seating. Right, back up there. I'll actually have a quick look up there. I missed out this little bar here, Mr. Tippler. And as you can see, we're back to that new ramp and the rose mural there. I like the way they've embraced the mural and used it as part of the decorations rather than just painted over it. Right, if you go back down there, you get the main road through Old Town again. And here, this little calico is going to guide us through the remainder of our walk, possibly. Meow. Getting a bit of a complex. Now this is all new, so I'll quickly check this out. And I'm not going to say how that, because I hate saying as you can see. But vandals have been in here. What idiots. I mean, considering they've seen what the standard of murals should be here, and there's plenty of blank walls, they could have done a much better job. The square itself's very nice. I help feeling I'm in someone's back garden now. Though. Really? Meow. I hope you don't think I can feed you, I'm afraid. I don't have anything. Probably smell my cats on him. He insisted on a cuddle before I came out this morning. I keep meaning to go into this place, Kathikas. I'll pronounce it better when I can read the sign again. Kathikas. Because by all accounts it's very nice in there. And it's a hotel as well, guest house. And I need to pop in and give it proper attention. There's another mural there. This is an advert for a barber shop somewhere, I think. I do think the mural might have survived longer than the barber shop. Now I've got to be careful here because I don't want to actually go to the girl with the sparrows, because that's where I want to start the next leg of this journey, which is sat over there. So instead I will finish looking at this coffee shop. What's your favourite place? I don't have a favourite place. I have my favourite people, and whenever I'm with my favourite people it becomes my favourite place. That's a nice little thought to end on. And I know this place is open again now though, because I highlighted it on a previous episode, and I'm glad I did, because it's closed now. Anyway, we'll see you in the next part. Cheers, bye.